So finally the wait is over after about a month. Finally got my exhaust from my bike here, which I got all torn apart. Well, I just got the muffler off. So I'm all ready to go. Got all my tools up here. And I am ready to install this puppy. Let's see how it looks first. So this is one I got here. A lot of popcorn. Just a receipt there. Let's see what we got here. This should be a I'm sure that's a silencer. And this is a sure that's a link pipe. Put that over here. And this should be the muffler. I'm pretty sure that's it. It's a bunch of popcorn though. So unwrap these, see what we got here. Let me cut these open some more. Alright, that's what the muffler looks like. Gonna put that in there because I don't want to mess nothing up. And this should be the link pipe. There we go. It's beautiful. Alright. So it looks like I already got everything. It comes with. So let's get this bad boy installed. Already got it taken apart here. Lifting up my bike here. I also bought one of these. Makes it easier. Moto D. Makes it easier. Just pull in now. When you're working on a bike though, you always want to put a jack on the back. So, jacking it up. I think I'm going to do everything from the left side. I don't know if I'm going to need this or not. Okay, this first part just looks like this connects on here, like so. Easy peasy cheesy. Like so. Boom. Okay, so I got it like just fitted on here. So this is what it's gonna look like once we button everything out down. So there's a baffle that goes right here. You can take this out. So I think I'm gonna just leave this one in here. It comes with 3 baffles actually. So we'll say this is number 1. This is further down in the pipe. So we're gonna see how loud it is without this one. Hopefully I won't have to put that one back in. And then the other one is right here. So I didn't even take this out the package yet. So I'm gonna tighten it down right quick just to see what it sounds like. So just about ready to get it all bolted in place. So I gotta put a bolt on the foot peg. So at least got it bolted up. I just want to hear how it sounds. So let's see how it sounds. They ain't ready for that, man. They ain't ready. Okay, so I finally got the exhaust on, which relatively was easy. I had to wait a month for it because they have the special make them. They don't do a mass production of this particular exhaust. So here we go. Got the Austin Racing GP1R. So this is how it looks, and it's pretty clean. Eliminate the cat. So it sounds really loud. There's 3 decibel killers with this particular system. One is inside, right about this area down here. There is one that I actually left in that's right here, and the other one you can put here. So I will probably use that like if I'm traveling, because this is extremely loud, which I'm cool with that. It's gonna take some getting used to, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and use earplugs. So start it up. Should be warm already though. And let's see what we at. 104 temperature wise. So it's much louder than I see what people were saying. I think somebody had said before on the video I watched that it's louder than what's on video, because I watched it, and yeah, it is much louder. So hopefully I won't get harassed by the exhaust police or noise pollution here. So besides that, the only other issue I had, I think, with this particular exhaust is the foot peg. The foot peg comes about right here, so it's going to be in the somewhat in the path of the exhaust. That won't become a problem until I have a passenger. So, but other than that, it'll be straight. This is another carbon fiber piece I put on here. I had this part right here, but it didn't fit all that good. It was really nice though. Oh my goodness, it really brung out the carbon fiber in the entire bike, but I had to send it back because it was just like at least 3 millimeters off. So, which is a big deal because it didn't sit right. I don't want rain and stuff getting in through here. So I'll probably do another video once it warms up. It rained today, and I was waiting to pull this bike out because the sun came out, but I don't know if I'll get a chance yet because I would like to just test it out. But it was definitely worth the wait, waiting like a month for this exhaust. It's definitely worth it. So like I said, I'll post the other video soon of the I'll make another video soon, and it'll show the entire bike and what I did like over the winter season.